Kevin Lemley here, criminal defense lawyer in Central Arkansas. Got offices in Little Rock, Cabot, and Searcy. Talking today about a very important topic, and that's financing your criminal defense. Because if you're being accused of a crime, whether it's a misdemeanor or a felony, there's a risk of you going to jail. We always ask everybody, what is your freedom worth? And if you're like everybody else, it's everything. It's the most important thing to you. Now, to work the case up right and to get the best work and the best results, it's going to take an investment, and we understand that. And not everybody just has the full amount of a defense laying around. So we're going to talk about the financing options that we have available with our firm. So the first thing that we have is we have the payment plan in-house, and we do it like a car note. So we're going to require a down payment from you. Usually we're going to want to see at least $2,000. If it's going to be less than that, then we can see what we're going to do. But usually we're going to look at about $2,000 down. And then we can decide the balance that's going to be paid out over the number of months. Kind of like buying a car, the more of a down payment that you'll do, the longer we're happy carrying the term. The lower the down payment, the shorter the term that we're going to want. And so in that situation, you would pay, say, $2,000 down. We'll figure out the monthly payment over 12 months, 18 months, whatever. With those arrangements in place, we get to work on your case just as if you had paid the whole thing in full. If that doesn't work for you, we also have relationships with special lenders that are used to dealing with this type of situation. So we have over 30 lenders that you can apply to through our system. What happens with most folks, they'll get offers from about 12 different ones, and then you can pick which one that you want. So just to give you a little bit of the parameters, so first things first, it's not going to affect your credit score. They have all agreed to make their pre-qualifying decisions based off of a soft credit pull. So you're going to apply, they're going to let you know if they have rejected you or accepted you and what the terms are without it ever affecting your credit. The answer is going to be instant. It's a very simple application process, and you'll get an immediate answer. If they've agreed to fund you, then what they're going to do is they're going to give you all the money directly. So let's say we have a case that's $7,500. You've agreed to a loan with them over 4 years, 5 years, whatever it is. Well, they're going to give you the $7,500 at the beginning, and then you're going to make those payments going back. So what you do in that situation is once you receive that money from the lender, you pay us directly. Now you've got the full defense all paid for, and then you've got a longer payment plan that can be 3 to 5 years. That'll be a much lower monthly payment. The other great thing with these lenders, they allow family and friends to apply on your behalf. So if you're in a situation where your credit score is below 550 or you don't have a job, your mom can apply for you, your spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, or a family member, whoever. And so that's how we're looking at working with you to figure out a way to make this work. And so these financing options are great. It's a lot better than taking your chances with a public defender and just rolling in there with them and letting them just throw you under the bus. So whenever you're talking with us about seeing if we're going to be the right firm for you, we'll go over these financing options. And if you have any ability to pay, we're going to be able to get you into one of these options to take care of you and protect your freedom, because that is what we do. Thanks.